my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Maritime injury lawyers helping clients nationwide get the compensation that they deserve. Texas ports handle about 565 million tons of cargo. The Port of Houston, Port of Texas City, and Port of Galveston all play direct roles in the economy of both the state of Texas and the nation. Not only do huge amounts of imports and exports pass through these vital seaports, but the ports also provide millions of jobs. While it is the responsibility of your employer to minimize your risk of injury, working on boats and rigs is hand-only physical work, and injuries can and do happen. If you have become injured in an accident, do not hesitate to file a claim. Our maritime injury lawyers are here to help. We handle injuries that occur in both offshore and onshore environments where safety regulation can be difficult or impossible to enforce. Our firm has an extensive reach that stretches throughout the country. We have experience in many cities across the nation and serve the following areas. For example, like in New Orleans, Las Vegas, New York, Philadelphia, San Diego, and so many more. With decades of combined experience, we have it takes to secure maximum compensation for your case. We know that dealing with physical injuries is challenging enough without adding the stress of legal proceeding into the mix. Fortunately, though, you should never delay filing a claim regardless of circumstances. The insurance companies involved will usually push your quick settlement if they believe your condition is permanent or life-threatening. Do not let their haste work against you getting the compensation you deserve. If you have experienced an onshore or offshore injury, the maritime lawyers Scratcher, Sever and Harris can help. We are expert Jones Act attorneys and we have helped hundreds of clients place Jones Act claims over the years and get the compensation they need to ensure their families are protected financially. What are common offshore injuries? The list of injuries common among the seamen and other maritime workers is long, but the following are some of the most serious injuries that can happen while working at sea, like a broken finger, hand, arm, leg, foot, or back. Island burns, common with longshoremen, compartment syndrome or inadequate blood flow to tissue, crushed fingers, hand and arm, leg, or foot, deep cut or laceration, drowning or near drowning, injured back and or neck, including herniated disc and sprain, loss of limb, lungs problem including pleural disease, torn muscles, ligaments or tendons, toxic chemical exposure, traumatic brain injury. Maritime accidents that lead to those potential injuries can affect longshore and harbor workers for weeks, months, and even years. No injured seaman deserves to shoulder the costs associated with their injuries alone. Many injuries that happen onshore or offshore come with financial, physical, and emotional costs that can be difficult to circumvent. Filing a maritime injury lawsuit will help you recover what you deserve for your case. Whether the vessel you were working on demonstrated unseaworthiness or other regulation were violated, our maritime injury attorneys can help you understand your rights and fight for them from beginning to end. And then what types of damages can I recover with a maritime injury claim? The maritime industry can be a difficult line of work to be in. From commercial fishing to working on oil rigs, there are many inherently dangerous aspects of the job that can affect maritime workers. When the negligence and wrongful behavior of an employer or other employees affect your health, you can stand to lose more than just time off of work. A maritime injury lawyer from a law firm can work with you to secure compensation for damages, including medical bills for emergency care, surgeries, hospitalization, testing, medication. These medical bills can be staggering whether you have suffered a severe injury or have been hospitalized for an extended period of time. And then rehabilitation expenses to help work towards recovery, including physical therapy both at home and in a facility, transportation to consult with a physician or attend rehabilitation appointments, temporary housing or living costs during extensive recovery periods. And then lost wages while injured on the job or recovering from an incident on the job, whether you are limited in what you can do now because of injuries or unable to work at all. You can receive compensation for the wages you lost as a result of your injuries. And then permanent disability and or loss of earning capacity, future wage loss. This is determined by how badly injured you were in your accident and the long-term effect it has on your ability to live and work. Emotional distress and or pain and suffering. This is often taken into account with permanent disability awards because people who experience this type of injuries often experience emotional difficulties as well, such as anxiety or depression. Our firm is dedicated to helping maritime workers keep their lives moving forward after an injury so that they do not become stagnant. We understand what punitive damages for reckless behavior that causes harm on purpose. Our maritime injury lawyers are experienced in helping clients secure the compensation they deserve for their injuries. We understand what it takes to build strong case, so contact us today for more information about how we can help you move forward following an accident at sea. Losing time off from work is stressful enough on its own. Being forced to make it through with mounting medical bills that you have no way of paying for is not just unfair, it is wrong. Our maritime injury attorneys fight for your rights to ensure you and your family are properly compensated and cared for going forward. What can a maritime lawyer do to help me? The maritime industry can be a difficult line of work to be in. From commercial fishing to working on oil rigs, there are many inherently dangerous aspects on the job that can affect a maritime worker. When the negligence and wrongful behavior of an employer or other employees affects your health, you can stand to lose more than just time off of work. A maritime injury lawyer from our law firm can work with you to secure compensation for damages, including medical bills for emergency care, surgeries, hospitalization, testing, medications. These medical bills can be staggering whether you have suffered a severe injury or have been hospitalized for an extended period of time. Rehabilitation expenses to help work towards recovery, including physical therapy, both at home and in facility. Transportation to consult with a physician and attend rehabilitation appointments, temporary housing or living costs during extensive recovery periods. Less wages while injured on the job or recovering from an incident or the job, whether you are limited in what you can do now because of injuries or unable to work at all. You can receive compensation for the wages you lost as a result of your injuries. And then permanent disability and or loss of earning capacity, future wage loss. This is determined by how badly injured you were in your accident and the long-term effect it has on your ability to live and work. Emotional distress and or pain and suffering. This is often taken into account with permanent disability awards because people who experience these types of injuries often experience emotional difficulties as well, such as anxiety or depression. Our firm is dedicated to helping maritime workers keeping their lives moving forward after an injury so that they do not become stagnant. We understand what punitive damages for reckless behavior that causes harm on purpose. Our maritime injury lawyers are experienced in helping clients secure the compensation they deserve for their injuries. We understand that what it takes to build a strong case, so contact us today for more information about how we can help you move forward following an accident at sea. Losing time of work from work is stressful enough on its own. Being forced to make it through with mounting medical bills that you have no way of paying for isn't just unfair, it is wrong. Our maritime injury attorney fight for your rights to ensure you and your family are properly compensated and cared for going forward. I think that's all guys, the information that I can share to you. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you guys need information related to maritime topics, you are in the right channel. Why I said like that, because in the channel we talk about it a lot. And then if you guys want us to talk about or discuss about the information that you need about maritime topic, you can just drop your comment below in the comment section, and later when we have a chance we will talk about it. And then if you guys want us to talk about or discuss about the information that you need about maritime topic, you can just drop your comment below in the comment section, and later when we have a chance we will talk about it. And then do the same thing if you have a question guys, you can also drop your question in the comment section, and later when we have a chance we will talk about it too. Don't forget to share this video to your friends, family and your loved one, maybe then information about maritime topics, so when you share this video to them it means you already helped them to get through the problems. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like the video that I have shared to you. I hope you can take advantage from it, and don't forget to give like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye guys, see you in another video.